I'm gonna hang him in his room for him. Good girl.
How to do it, Mom?
You can put it right on the chair if you want. Good girl, thank you. Pick it up by the hanger.
By the hanger.
Perfect. Thanks for your help. You got it?
It's so hard, Mommy.
You got it. That's perfect, Tiana.
Mommy, it's not perfect.
It's not perfect. It's good, though. Let me see.
No.
Let me fix it then. Put it right here. This one. Hold this. This one we'll put right here.
Hey, Camp, I just want to talk to Donna real quick because I got sidetracked with opening up she gets gifts for Rocky.
Perfect. Thank you.
Donna, I just want to thank you for Rocky's clothes because with all the little candle